At the gas station, I meet a man on a bicycle. We have sex, but keep having to stop on account of him overheating. He stays the night, then some more nights. He's a vegan. We watch a documentary on the rising overconsumption of meat and its destruction of the planet. Something stirs within me. I run out to buy myself a cheeseburger. I devour it, and buy another one. Back home, I confess to him, and we have our first and only fight. He hides in the fridge, eating all the hummus. My stomach rumbles, so I eat. The global temperature index has gone up by a degree over the past year.
Destructive hurricanes and wildfires are wreaking havoc worldwide on a weekly basis.
Human activity is solely to blame. He leaves me.
You need to get some help.
For a vegan activist. The ozone methane concentration climbs to 3,000 parts per billion. Still, I eat. Animal protests begin. They wail endlessly. The fish are particularly vocal. This month becomes the hottest on record. The worldwide average temperature index climbs by another degree. Meat and seafood prices spike. Daily protests swell outside. I think of him often. A Category 5 hurricane pummels the windows outside. I wait it out. The temperature outside keeps rising.